Wow, this is the last freaking video. Hey, it's Wednesday. This is the last video. I neglected to put a single question on this on your assignment, so there you go. But we should talk about Avogadro's formula. You'll need it potentially in the next level of IB. So Avogadro's formula looks like this. It's big N is equal to little n times L. None of those really relate to anything, but big N is the number of particles or atoms. N is moles, and L is Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd, like particles or atoms per mole. So when you times a mole by that, you get the atoms that are left over. Okay. So basically, it's like a little tiny number times the biggest number you've ever thought of, and you get how many atoms there are. Why is this important? I'll be honest with you, it's near the end of the year and I don't care. So let's just move on. Here's an avocado. Not Avogadro. Avogadro, avocado, Avogadro, avocado, Avogadro, avocado. Guacamole. Okay. So here's the first question. What amount of moles of water contain this many atoms? All right, let's write out the formula. N is equal to little n times L. All right, what do we got here? Hey, it's giving us atoms. Okay, we know that. We always know Avogadro is constant, so we're just going to solve for number of moles. So let's divide both sides by L. N is equal to big N over L, and we've got 1.8 times 10 to the 24th over 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd. These are giant numbers. Those are numbers that are not even possible to fathom. It's pretty much the amount of money that Jeff Bezos will have by next year. Sorry if you work for Jeff Bezos, if your family works for Jeff Bezos. Okay, I want up getting 2.999. Let's just say 2 sig figs, 3 moles. Yay. Okay. A little bit tougher. How many hydrogen atoms are present in 3 moles of ethanol? Okay, so we got atoms is equal to moles times Avogadro's number. Okay, perfect. So we are trying to find atoms. 3 moles times Avogadro's number. Okay, look at that. Moles cancel out. Unit analysis here. Okay, so 3 times 6.02. 23rd. I get 1 decimal. Well, it's weird. 806 times 10 to the 24th atoms. And guess what? I'm wrong. This is a tricky question because it's asking for hydrogen atoms in a molecule. Ethanol is C2H5OH. So that's how many atoms of that molecule there are. Right? That's how many molecules there are. But if we look, we've got 6 hydrogens inside that molecule. So we have to times this by 6. So I don't know, like this is not an assignment or anywhere, but be very careful because the atoms inside a molecule, you have to times that by the amount, right? So 1.806 times 10 to the 6 gives me 2 sig figs. I wind up with 1.1 times 10 to the 25 atoms, all right? Now, same trick question here. Ooh, turquoise. Okay, same trick question here. How many carbon atoms are present in 4.5 moles of ethanol? So same kind of thing. We're using the same formula. N is equal to N times L. We're given moles. Okay, so 4.5 moles. We'll times that by Avogadro's number. Atoms per mole. Okay, now, just to make it shorter, it's asking for carbon atoms in ethanol, C2H5OH. How many carbons are there in ethanol? Answer is 2. So let's just do it all in one step, times by 2. So 4.5 times 6.02. I don't know why I typed in 3. 6.02, 23rd, times 2. 2 sig figs, I get 5.4 times 10 to the 24th. Holy crap. All right. That's it. This is a very short lesson today. We are done. This is the blank slide. This is the end. That's Looney Tunes. Okay. I'll have a little message for you guys on Friday that you can watch or not. But I'm so impressed and proud of everybody that's stuck with this online learning. It's been mentally draining for me as your teacher, and I can't imagine how tough it is for you guys at home to learn and to stick with it. I'm really hoping to see you guys next year in September. So even though I probably will not be teaching any of you, pop by and say hi. Okay, with that, it's the end.